Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save video from Google Chats on iPhone or Androids. So in here, you can start by opening the Gmail apps on your phone to open the Google Chat. And after that, you can click on the chat tabs in here. And you can see that someone has sent me a video and I want to show you how you can save it to your gallery. First, click on the chat or the conversations. So this is the video, and if you want to save it, you can just long press on it. Sorry, no, not long press, but open the video first. Click on a video, and after that, here you can see there will be this option to download. So just click on download to easily save it to your gallery. You can see at the top, this will be the progress, and now the video has been downloaded. So that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.